Hey, wonderful third graders. Today you're on lesson 10-2, which is mental math to multiply. Your objective for this lesson is to use different strategies to find products when one factor is a multiple of 10. Let's define those terms one more time. 7 times 30 equals 210. 7 and 30 are your factors. Your product, or your answer, is 210. 30 is a multiple of 10. We know that it is 3 groups of 10. So if I were to multiply 7 times 30, I am saying 7 times 3 is 21, or 21 groups of 10, which is 210. Let's practice. How can place value help you use mental math to multiply by a multiple of 10? A regular box of crayons has 30 crayons. A jumbo box holds 60 crayons. There are 5 boxes of regular crayons on one shelf and 5 boxes of jumbo crayons on another shelf. How many crayons are on each shelf? Find 5 times 30. You can use basic multiplication facts to multiply by multiples of 10. Think about tens. Multiply 5 by the number of tens. 5 times 30 equals 5 times 3 tens. 5 times 3 tens is 15 tens, or 150. There are 150 crayons on one shelf. Now find 5 times 60. 5 times 60 equals 5 times 6 tens.
Select your answer.
We know 5 times 6 is 30, so 5 times 6 tens is 30 tens, which is 300. Sometimes the basic multiplication fact makes the product look different. 5 times 60 equals 5 times 6 tens, which is 30 tens, which is 300. There are 300 crayons on the other shelf. Now that you have a basic understanding of what 10-2 is asking you, please go and complete your assignment that your teacher has assigned.